Esteemed audience, friends and esteemed internet audience, hello everyone. Today we'll be sharing some Chinese music stories. One of the popular stories that has been handed down over time is about a man,伯牙, who could compose and play deeply profound music. However, not everyone could fully understand what he was trying to express. And then, one day he encountered a man,钟子期, who really loved music. When伯牙played his mighty mountain melodies,钟子期said, "I feel like I can see a range of undulating mountains and feel those mighty mountain peaks." And when伯牙played his flowing water melodies,钟子期said, "It is as if I can feel the clarity of the water and hear the streams and swiftly flowing rivers flowing through the mountains."伯牙was really happy because he had found a kindred spirit, specifically someone who completely understood his own feelings. In China, mountains and water are infused with a deep significance. We often say, men are like mighty mountains, women are like gentle flowing water. Mountains are stable and unmoving, water is formless and capable of endless variation. This is the reason why the phrase high mountains and flowing water is so loved by the Chinese people. We can divide Guzheng music called high mountains and flowing waters into three: the Henan style, the Shandong style, and the Zhejiang style. The Shandong version is composed of 4 short works linked together. The Henan version is pure, fresh, and fast-paced. Normally, older artists would use this music as a sign of respect to greet new friends for the first time. The most widely popular version of high mountains and flowing water is the one from Zhejiang style, high mountains and flowing water. The longer the melody, the longer the flavor lasts. ancient times in China, much of the music was composed by the players, and this is still true in modern times. But now there are also many professional composers who write pieces that express all kinds of different emotions and ideas. The beautiful sound of the guzheng can play quiet and peaceful music and noisy, boisterous music. It is an instrument that can play classical music and also rock and roll. You can use it to play Chinese music and also learn to play the music of your own district. Men, women, old people, and children can all learn to play the guzheng. Music is the universally shared language of all human beings. Finally, I'd like to play the Chinese traditional music, high mountains and flowing waters, for everyone. I hope that this music will make connections with many more kindred spirits.